Let's move on to the discussion of grammar part, and our first grammatical topic is of subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions क्या होते हैं? These conjunctions connect two groups of words by making one into a subordinating clause. तो ये subordinating clause में यूज़ होते हैं. Subordinating clause कौन सी होती है? जो dependent clause होती है, जिसको अपना पूरा meaning convey करने के लिए दूसरी clause पर depend करना पड़ता है, और वो दूसरी clause जो होती है वो independent होती है और उसको coordinate clause बोलते हैं. तो in short, जो subordinate clause होती है वो अपने आप पे डिपेंड करके पूरा सेंस और मीनिंग डिलीवर नहीं कर सकती है. सो इसमें सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस यूज़ होते हैं, और टाइम, कंडीशन, कॉज एंड इफेक्ट और कंट्रास्ट के लिए डिफरेंट सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस यूज़ होते हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट आर दोस. फॉर टाइम वी हैव आफ्टर, व्हेन, until, soon, before, once, while, as soon as, whenever, by the time. कंडीशन के लिए यानी शर्त के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं if, whether, or, not provided, in, case, unless, even if, in the event. कॉज एंड इफेक्ट. कॉज एंड इफेक्ट क्या होता है कि किसी चीज़ के करने से कोई चीज़ आपके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस में आना या उसका रिजल्ट होना, उसको कॉज एंड इफेक्ट कहते हैं. तो इसके लिए जो कंजंक्शंस यूज़ होंगे वो होंगे बिकॉज, एज, सिंस, इन ऑर्डर, दैट, नाउ, दैट, एज मच एज. कंट्रास्ट. कंट्रास्ट मतलब कि कोई कंट्रास्टिंग सिचुएशन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए, ऑपोजिट सिचुएशन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए जो कंजंक्शंस हम यूज़ करेंगे वो होंगे दो, वाइल, ऑल्दो, वेयरएज, इवन दो. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू इट्स एक्सरसाइज. और इसमें हमें क्या करना है? चूज़ द अप्रोप्रिएट कंजंक्शंस. हमें कंजंक्शंस दिए गए हैं, हमें करेक्ट कंजंक्शंस को चूज़ करना है. फर्स्ट इज ही कुडंट गो होम, ब्लैक, ही हैड नो प्लेस टू गो. A, but, B, for, C, though. So he couldn't go home, for he had no place to go, because for हम because के sense में भी use करते हैं. Second is blank. It was hot. He was wearing a coat. A, when, B, although, C, then. So contrasting situation है, तो हम यहाँ पे although choose करेंगे. Third is blank. I have no money. I cannot go for shopping. So यहाँ पे हम reason के लिए use करेंगे as, I have no money, I cannot go for shopping. Fourth is, he lost his job, blank, he was often late. He lost his job because he was often late. Fifth is blank, I had more time, I would help you. So it's a condition. If I had more time, I would help you. Let's move on to next grammatical topic, which is of adverb clause. Adverbs क्या होते हैं? जो verbs को qualify करते हैं, वो हमें बताते हैं कि अगर एक sentence में action describe हो रहा है जो कि verb है, वो किस तरीके से हो रहा है. So इसका function क्या होता है? It modifies a verb just like a simple adverb, an adjective or an adverb in the main clause. So ये begin किससे करते हैं? शुरू किससे होते हैं? A subordinating conjunction such as after, although, because, if, since, when, where. इसके example देख लेते हैं. Father called me when he arrived home. So when he arrived home जो है वो हमारे पास adverb clause है. Let's move on to its exercise. इसमें हमें क्या करना है? Replace each adverb clause by an adverb or adverb phrase. So first is I have not been well since I returned from Murray. So इसमें हम simple कर देंगे I have not been well after I returned from Murray. Second is I'm glad that he has recovered from his illness. So I am glad because he has recovered from his illness. Third is as soon as I saw the cobra, I ran away. So इसमें आ जाएगा when I saw the cobra, I ran away. Fourth is he may go home after his work is finished. He may go home because when his work is finished. Fifth is I did not pay her as I had no money with me. I did not pay her because I had no money with me. Let's move on to next exercise, which is underline the adverb clauses in the following sentences and state whether each is an adverb clause of time, place, reason, purpose, result, manner, comparison, condition, or concession. So the first is the frightened child ran as fast as he could. तो as fast as he could हमारे पास आ जाएगा adverb clause और ये manner का होगा because ये बता रहा है कि किस तरीके से भागा. Second is even if they hurry they may not get there on time. So even if they hurry हमारे पास आ जाएगा adverb clause and it is of condition. Third is the player is out of the match because he has hurt himself. Because he has hurt himself is the adverb clause और ये हमारे पास आ जाएगा reason के लिए. Fourth is if she recovers quickly she will join the team. So this is our clause and it is for condition. Fifth is the speaker was so absorbed in his speech that he forgot the time. So that he forgot the time is the adverb clause and it is for cause and effect. मतलब वो speech में absorb था, उसके result में उसको time भूल गया. Cause and effect के लिए यहाँ पे दूसरा नाम result है तो आप ये भी use कर सकते हो. Sixth is she switched on the television so that she could listen to the news. So that she could listen to the news is the adverb clause और ये हमारे पास आ जाएगा reason. Seventh is they left before the concert ended. Before the concert ended ये हमारे पास time के लिए adverb clause है. Eighth is he acted as if he owned the car. As if he owned the car और ये हमारे पास manner के लिए adverb clause है. Ninth is where the road bends dangerously be more careful. Where the road bends dangerously ये हमारे लिए place की adverb clause है. And 10th is he will get a good job when he graduates. When he graduates, this is the adverb clause for time. Let's move on to next exercise, which is match the two clauses and make meaningful sentences. So the rain started. इसका next part क्या होगा? While I was driving home. So ये 1 हो जाएगा. I wrote many books before I was awarded the literature prize. They had to cancel the meeting because the director did not show up. You won't succeed if you don't try hard. Although it was raining, he went out without an umbrella. With this, we have come towards the end of our today's video lecture. I hope जो भी आज हमने पढ़ा वो आपको clarity के साथ समझ आया होगा. Inshallah, we'll be meeting with some new topic in our next video. Till then, take care. This is me, Maha, your English instructor, signing out.